Hi, this is Martin here today. I'm going to share with you how to use Robie right now. Shall we get started? Now before that, make sure you download a copy of SMARTRobie from the App Store. It's available in Android and Apple Play Store. Now first thing you do when you first log in into SMARTRobie, you will notice that you will have a general menu. There's only two menus actually, the main menu and the individual stock menu. Of course, what we are interested in today is the trending stocks, Pentagon Guider and Premium Alert. There are three differences between this, what we call trade idea. For start, trending stocks are what we call a stage 2 shares, which is continue to go higher and higher before we click on. And then we have Pentagon Guider, which is at stage 1 share accumulation for those who wanted to get in before the share moves higher. And of course, for Premium Alerts, these are more for day trader who want to get in during the day on live prices. All right, so let's start with the trending stocks. So you can see trending stocks right now, we have some of these stocks, almost about 12 of them. And we can take a look at some of them, which is some of my favorite too, will be press metal. You can see, so it's hit 8869 and you can click on stock charts and you can blow it up. You can see that stocks, since the Pentagon Guider move, right, you can see this thing is already up a few percentages already. And then we're going to move on to next is what we call the, go back to the main menu, the Pentagon Guider. Now these shares, right, hasn't moved up yet. Okay, so let's take a look at them. Some of them I really like. It's Sunway REITs. Okay, you can look at Sunway 5176. Now this one, if you look at it, you can also check the stock fundamentals, and it is it is a good shares that pay about a 5% dividend. So you want to get in before the markets move higher. Let's look at the stock charts, shall we? So you can click on Sunway REITs, hit the stock charts. And you can see right from the chart, it has accumulated over a period of time from the chart wise. You can see it's ready to move higher right now. Okay, so that is the Pentagon Guider, really buying in and very easy to use. Okay, so finally we want to look at the last one. It's the Premium Alert. So this is a Premium Alert. We click on that one and you can see here we have a couple of great stocks, Sinotech, B Plant and V01. Now V01 7070, you can hit that one. Look at the stock price. Wow, that one already moved 10%. Isn't that great? Now that's doing very well, isn't it? So you can also look at the stock charts. Where were we yesterday? All right, you can see V0, right? It is where it is now, and the charts really move up in here. So that's one of the stocks that's moved up a lot. We shall see end of the day how it would fare for that one. Now, we do have trading plans. Let's say you want to go in for Visio. What is the trading plan? You can click on trading plan. Now, trading plan is for those who hasn't gone in yet and wanted to go in. All right, so you can see you want to buy at 40 cents. And if you look at the last price that we have up here, for 42 cents already. All right, so this is ready to get in. So the next we have is exit strategy. Exit strategy for Vision is 31 cents. That's a stop loss or exit when it hits the red pentagon. Right now the target price is 43.5 cents, 43.4 cents. So that's all I have for the SMARTRobie training. Very short. We cover the trending stocks, Premium Alert and Pentagon Guider. So don't forget also to find out more about each individual share by clicking on the news sentiment for Visio. Let's look at that one and hit the news, and you can see right now the news is very positive. So that's all I have for you today. Catch me again on the next SMARTRobie tutorial.